Today I'm installing the new De'Longhi water filter in my espresso machine, and the whole process is actually much easier than I expected. Inside the box you get the filter, and before installing it you'll want to turn the date indicator to the month you'll be replacing it. Since I'm installing mine in July, I'm setting it to September so I'll remember when it's time for a new one. The next step is to rinse the filter under running water. Keep the water flowing through the sensor until you see the water coming out of the side openings and the air bubbles are gone. That lets you know the filter is fully saturated and ready to install. While that's finishing up, I have a water tank that's cleaned and filled with fresh water. I like starting with the clean machine every time I replace the filter. Now I'm placing the filter into the water tank, and as you can see, more air bubbles come out while it's submerged. Once the bubbles stop, I press it into its holder, put the lid back on, and it's ready to go. The entire process only takes a couple of minutes, and then you're set for about 2 months before replacing the filter again with normal use. What I've personally noticed is that my espresso tastes cleaner and smoother after installing a fresh filter. The coffee flavors come through really well, and to me it gives my homemade drinks more of that coffee shop taste. That's just been my experience, but I definitely noticed a difference in the overall flavor. Another benefit is that the filter helps soften the water, which can reduce mineral buildup inside the machine over time. That's always a plus if you want to keep your espresso machine running its best. Here's the first cup after installing the new water filter. The crema looks great, and after adding a little milk and cold foam, it's ready to enjoy. Overall, replacing the filter was quick, simple, and definitely worth doing if you own a compatible De'Longhi espresso machine.